We sell Pyrite cubes. Literally, this is what they look like out of the ground. It is the most famous mine in the world for mineral in the cubic system of crystallization. These specimens are approximately 130 million years old. When we find them, they're completely embedded in the limestone. So what we do, we chisel out the limestone to uncover the specimens. We don't know what they're gonna look, before this process. They're all unique, as you can see in our case. They come in many different forms and shapes. We get from very small, perfect cubes to more complex specimens. The bigger, the more lustrous, the more perfect, the more complex the shape of the specimen, the more valuable they become. So they become, really good for decoration. They have a very artistic look to it, but they're natural. So that's what's really amazing about our specimens.
And we've also got our yellow adjustable light inside to bring out the true color of the pyrite cubes.
Amazing.